Hello there, world! I'm Angie Sprinkles, famous YouTuber and local Amherst celeb. I finally reached my goal of 1 billion subscribers. It's time for that house tour I promised you. So come along, let me show you the grand tour here at 57 Olympia Drive. Let's go! All my friends come and hang out at my house, and people I've never even met, like those girls. Guess people just like hanging out here. But I know that it's super safe because only people with key cards are allowed to get in. And I have this super awesome ID door that lets me call out my artificially intelligent butler to let me in.
Is this Angie? Did you forget your keys again?
Yeah. Unlock the door, Jarvis.
You know I'm not an AI, I'm your roommate.
Thanks, Jarvis. You can go back to hanging out with Google and Alexa. When you're a famous YouTuber like me, you rarely ever get a break. That's why it's so important that I make sure I have 24-hour coffee recorded for me and all my friends. Look at all the different flavors I have. French roast, breakfast bend, Colombian, mandarin orange spice, lemon zinger, English breakfast. There's even a cocoa. When I'm not being famous or drinking coffee, I'm getting the swole on in my very own fitness center. It's open 24 hours a day and my friends love it. In fact, let's get a quick workout in now. That was a decent workout. I'm gonna need a break before showing you the rest of the house. Stay tuned.
Hey, thanks for watching our video. Angie might be a fake YouTuber, but Olympia Place isn't a fake place. Spots fill up fast, so if you're interested, go ahead and give us a call today to set up a tour. Don't miss out on living in the best place in Amherst.
And make sure to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Woo! And Sprinkles the President.
Thanks for watching. Until next time.